Hey guys, Frank here and welcome in our studio in Emerald. Today it's about one of our partners and one of our partners that's actually very dear to us, PhotoWhoa. So what is PhotoWhoa? PhotoWhoa is that company that you want if you are a photographer, and I think we all are, that is lusting for more and more information. You want to learn everything about your trade, but you don't want to do it just for model photography. You want to do it for, well, fashion photography, model photography, portrait, headshots, landscape, architectural, HDR, highly destructive retouching, or high dynamic range, whatever you want to call it. They have something for everyone. All of my videos are almost on there. And the cool thing is, you never pay retail. They have great deals and offers, and they do it the whole year through. So they have this mailing list, and you get every time great deals on photography. And all kinds of videos, often nice bundles. But the other thing is, if you can't get enough of it, get their Plus subscription online, because then you get a lot of perks and even better deals. For us, from our side, we just love working with PhotoWhoa because it's a very personal company. It's not like a big company that, well, never got into contact with their artists. You have a really direct line with them. And for me as an artist and collaborator, that's very important. Now, if you are one of those photographers, and I know we all are, that is constantly looking for new knowledge, that want to learn everything about their trade, PhotoWhoa is absolutely the place to be. And to PhotoWhoa, thank you so very much for all those years collaboration with you guys. We love you. And keep going. Thank you so very much. This was Frank Doorhof signing off from the Netherlands.